Try this with night shot on and see if the picture's any better. It's a pair of Autotek MM4000s and a pair of Hifonics Goliath 15-inch 32s. I have no other speakers in the car hooked up other than just the subs, so this is Lil Jon Throw It Up. I've never played this on here before, so we'll see what happens. This is volume 17. I burp it volume 24. Alright, I always see people doing different kinds of tricks, so here's a plastic bag in the port. Interesting. Let's try that one more time. Try that one more time in night shot. Before I crawl inside this enclosure and do my homage to Sire, let's take a look at the build. This is the inside of the enclosure. That's how small my port is. And here's your subs. Goliath3215s. This enclosure is 2 layers of 3/4 inch MDF, backed by lots and lots of stacked 2x4s. Okay. Unlike Sire, my enclosure is a little bit smaller, so I can't lay down all the way at the back like he did. But as you can see, sorta, hopefully, I am sitting inside the box. My head is at the top, so it's just barely tall enough for me to fit. Here's the wall, and there's the subs right here, right next to my head. So, I don't exactly have a lot of room here. You can see how shallow the enclosure is behind the subs, and there's just barely room for me to fit. Now I see why he was talking so funny in his video. Now, in addition, unlike my hero, I don't have somebody here to help me. So I'm going to be doing this by myself. I don't know if we'll get a shot of this or not, but I have the head unit sitting right here somewhere outside the car. I don't know if maybe you're seeing it now. The head unit's just sitting right there. So I'm going to try to control the camera and be able to hit that pause button to turn it off when my ears start bleeding. So let's see, I'm going to do this at real low volume first. See if I can see what volume I'm at. Alright, this is a volume 7 for this test run. So I want to make sure I'm going to be able to turn it off, because it took me about 3 minutes to climb inside this box because I had to try and squeeze past the port, so I'm a fat ass. Okay, I seem to turn it on and off fine. I mean, I can't even squeeze both arms through the port at the same time. I'm gonna turn this up, to my normal burp volume. Okay, here goes nothing. And as you can see, where's my arm? There's my arm. I'm trying to hold my hand out there with the remote while staying inside the enclosure and holding the camera. I'm a little bit nervous. All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God! All right, I could feel my shirt blowing. I don't know if we could see it blowing, but you know what? That was like a fucking adrenaline rush right there. I'm gonna do it one more time.